to start today's video by asking you a simple question. Would you eat this? It's oil or petroleum. Yuck. It sounds really gross, but if you wouldn't drink that, then why on earth are you taking synthetic vitamins? Hi, I'm Dr. Shirley from 2 Minutes to Better Health. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing with you why synthetic vitamins are so bad for you and break it down and show you exactly what is in those vitamins that you're taking every single day. So to start off, you have coal tar. What is coal tar? That's the stuff that's found in pavement. So when they go and pave a new parking lot, you smell that nasty chemical smell? Well, that's coal tar. And guess what? It's one of the main ingredients in synthetic B vitamins and multivitamins. And you're consuming that on a daily basis. The second ingredient found in synthetic vitamins is corn syrup. Why is corn syrup so bad? Well, first of all, it comes from corn, which is mostly genetically modified, which is really bad for your body. The second reason it's bad is because it's what we call an obesogen. An obesogen is something that makes you fat. So, unless you're trying out for a major part as Santa in a movie, you probably don't want to consume too much of the corn syrup. The last ingredient in synthetic multivitamins is petroleum. Petroleum is what's used to make gasoline, oil that goes in your car. Now, if you get that on your hands when you're putting it into your car, it smells pretty nasty for a long time. And most people would think, oh wow, that's poison, I would never consume that. But the problem is, all you really need to do is take it into a lab, add a few chemicals, change a few things, and next thing you know, it becomes something that's considered acceptable in your synthetic multivitamin. And so again, guys, if you wouldn't eat all of this stuff on your dinner plate, well then I would highly recommend avoiding synthetic vitamins. So what should you be consuming? Well, your body was designed to run on food. So you should always look for a good food form supplement that when you look in the ingredients, instead of just seeing vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, etc., you actually see foods listed. Okay? Because when they list the foods, it's showing it's coming from a food source. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching 2 Minutes to Better Health. I'm Dr. Shirley. We'll see you tomorrow.